Did you know SQFT stock moved 20% in July? Many investors are wondering why this happened and how it relates to the NASDAQ. Today, we will explain everything clearly so you can understand the trends and make better decisions. Welcome to Inspire with JR. I'm JR, and in this video, we will break down SQFT's performance in July 2025, analyze NASDAQ trends, and discuss actionable insights for investors. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, this guide will help you see the bigger picture and take smarter steps. First, let's examine SQFT stock. In July, SQFT increased by 20%. This rise was influenced by several key factors. The company reported strong quarterly earnings, which exceeded expectations. Investor confidence grew, and there were positive news headlines in the technology sector. These combined to create a surge in stock price. Next, let's compare this with NASDAQ. The NASDAQ index has been rising steadily over the last few months. Technology and biotech stocks are leading the growth. When the NASDAQ goes up, many individual stocks, including SQFT, often follow similar patterns. However, SQFT also has unique factors that make its movement different at times. Now, let's analyze the correlation. SQFT often mirrors NASDAQ trends, but sometimes it outperforms or underperforms due to company-specific events. For example, in July, SQFT's earnings report was a major catalyst that caused a bigger spike than the general market. Understanding these correlations helps investors predict short-term movements. Let's look at some charts. The first chart shows SQFT's monthly performance. You can see a clear upward trend during the first 2 weeks. The second chart compares SQFT with NASDAQ. Notice how SQFT follows NASDAQ closely but with sharper spikes. Next, we will discuss investor tips. First, always track market news. Financial headlines can move stocks quickly. Second, review quarterly earnings and reports. Third, diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Fourth, set stop-loss orders to protect your investment. These strategies help you stay safe while participating in growth opportunities. SQFT's surge is significant, but it should be analyzed in context. Large movements can be temporary. Investors should not panic or rush into buying based on short-term spikes. Looking at NASDAQ trends provides a broader perspective. Historical patterns indicate that certain sectors, especially technology, are likely to continue growing. Another insight is market sentiment. Positive news, investor confidence, and economic indicators all influence stock behavior. By keeping an eye on these factors, you can anticipate changes before they happen. Risk management is crucial. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Set clear goals and follow a disciplined strategy. Remember, successful investing is not about luck, but understanding the market and making informed decisions. Finally, consider long-term trends. While short-term analysis is useful, long-term growth is more reliable. SQFT may fluctuate week to week, but the overall trend and NASDAQ correlation give valuable clues for long-term planning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more stock market insights every week. Share this video with friends who want to learn about investing and make smarter decisions. Remember, always research before investing, and use the tips from this video to guide your strategy. See you in the next video.